Hi, CELPIP Reading Part-3 Reading for Information. Why is Webberz the best? Well, we have flexible timing, early morning to late evening batches. We have excellent results, small batches with personalized attention, multiple one-to-one speaking, latest well-researched material with 24/7 access, certified trainers from IDP, Cambridge, Oxford, British Council. Contact us on the numbers given below for a free demo. Now the tips for Part 3 reading. Read the questions first, always. Scan text for keywords. Don't concentrate on unfamiliar vocabulary. Understand the meaning. Eliminate the wrong choices. Manage your time. Let's start the practice now. These are 4 paragraphs. So what we need to do, we need to read the questions first. The person who spends a certain amount of money can be found. A name for the concept is formulated. Blockchain leaves no digital footprints due to no identification. Government control, impossible for governments to take action against you if you use blockchain. Another component is needed due to constraints, protects the hard drive. Several devices are used to execute the working of blockchain, a global application. Now we know what exactly it is. What we should do, we should go back to the passages and read the first sentence of every passage. A. Blockchain is the new technology that is taking over the old ways of how money was managed. B. The aspect of decentralization makes a lot of people fond of blockchain technology. C. Although the records stored in most blockchains are completely encrypted, they can be decrypted by the owner. D. When talking about blockchain technology versus banks, there are a lot of differences to keep in mind. So now we have a rough idea on what para A talks about, para B, para C, and para D. So we are going to start the matching now. After reading these 9, this is the matching that we have to do. Pause the video here, take about 2 to 3 minutes and match. Now the answers. The first is a name is formulated. So where is the name? Where is it formulated? So here it talks about the name, blockchain. Another component is needed due to constraints. So we have storage capacity constraint due to storage capacities. And we need more pieces of information by blocks. They have to be combined with other blocks. Next is several devices to be used. So here we have computer networks and multiple nodes. So we get all these 3 answers correct. We are going to go to part B now. Read this part B. Take about 2 minutes to find the answers. All right, let's find the answers now. And the answer is a global application. So here I'm going to use elimination method to explain you why is it a global application. This para does not talk about a person who spends a certain amount of money can be found. A name is formulated, doesn't talk about that. No digital footprints, government control, doesn't talk about the government. Another component is needed, doesn't talk about it. Protects the hard drive, not there. Several devices are connected to use, not there. So we have only one, that is global application. So I've given you the process of elimination as well. Let's go to C. Pause the video, repeat the process. And this is the answer now. I think this is pretty simple to find out. D. And this is the answer. Again, this is very simple to figure out. He talks about the government control. That's it. It doesn't talk about impossible for the governments to take action against you. The entire thing is not there. Parts of it are definitely there in the 5th one, but the entire thing is not there. So he talks about 4th, the government control. That is okay. So let's go to E. Whatever is left is E. Now what is left is 3rd, 5th, and 7th. Let's check your answers now. These are your answers. In case you scored 7, 8, 9, you are okay. In case you scored below 7, you definitely need help. With this, we come to the end of this video, and I hope that you learned something. Thank you so much.